Are you having trouble with the piano roll velocity where every time you change the volume, it doesn't seem to like work? Well, with Search XT, I'm going to help you with that. I'm going to open mine up. It still seems to be keep playing it, and I'm sure that's not what you wanted, because you wanted to have that nice rising effect when you have a rising moment. I've turned the beginning part down. It should not make any noise, but it just keeps making noise. So, in order to fix that, you go to the Search XT. What you need to do, turn this volume all the way down and go to velocity, double click on it and make sure everything's green, and then turn this all the way back to its original volume setting. And once you do, everything seems to be working now. To review it, let's go back to it. Turn the volume all the way down, you go to velocity, and you put it into its original position, and it should be working just fine now as you intend it to be. This only works for Surge XT. However, I can imagine that this is universal to most synthesizer plugins. This is only for those that are using Search XT. However, if you are using a different plugin, you could follow that same step where it could have like a velocity change option, and you should probably change it right there and it should do the same. If that doesn't help, it's best to research, and I'm sure there are sources out there for you. Either way, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If any questions, concerns, please leave them down in the comments.